Hello, my name is Kevin Reeder and welcome to Cream Valley Farm. It is a 65-acre farm. 21 acres of this farm was purchased, well, it wasn't purchased, it was a land grant back in the 1840s, and there's 21 acres of it still intact. It's been in the Stover name, which is my mom's side of the family, since the beginning. Dad and Mom purchased the land in 1965 and started dairying in 1972. Started out with Holsteins, and in the mid-80s had the opportunity to switch to Jerseys, and we went to a complete registered Jersey herd. Today we're milking 93 cows with 9 dry, running about 65 to 70 replacement heifers. Our production is around 50 pounds normally, but in this hot, humid weather, it's knocked it down a little bit. We have a 4.6 to a 5.0 butterfat with a somatic cell count ranging in the 160s to 250 range. I'll start with the cows. We feed a total mixed ration. It's a corn silage blend blended with triticale, ryegrass, crimson clover, and vetch. We do that. Those are crops that are grown here. We do that to cut costs because it cut the amount of feed that you have to purchase. We do feed a total mixed ration where our nutritionist blends together what the cows need as far as cow health. That's the main thing we strive for. A healthy cow is a good cow. It gives ample milk. The calves you're seeing here are, the heifer calves are fed all cow's milk. From the day they're born, they have their mother's milk for 3 days. What we're looking at here is a soybean field, and in the background is our corn, one field of our corn. We grow corn is chopped for silage for the cows. When that's chopped, it's chisel plowed and a cover crop is sown back. The bean fields, when the beans are harvested in October, November, they're left with just the soybean trash on the ground. We do that so we can have a place to go with our liquid manure in the winter months. We spread our manure in different places for a nutritional standpoint that helps us with our fertilizer. And you don't get a buildup of phosphorus in the ground by putting it in one place all the time. We spread it out. We have about 90 acres of soybeans here. That's a 25 acre field of corn. We have another 16 acre field out at the end of the farm. The corn fields that's basically where we go with a lot of our manure in the fall. This is my wife, Donna. We've been married for 31 years, got married in 1987. We have 3 children. Ages 29, 25, and 23, all of which are married and college grads. So now the pressure is off. We've been dairying, as I said, since 1972, since I was 5 years old when my dad started. Foods is the company we sell our milk to. They own the Purity bottling plant in Nashville, and the milk truck picks us up every other day. The milk protection program has been revamped by the latest farm bill. It has been beneficial. We have received in the last couple of months some payments for the milk insurance, and that has been a little bit of help. When we started dairying, or when Dad did in 1972, there were 29 dairies in Overton County. Today there's only 4. In the last 4 months, 4 dairies have went out alone just because of milk prices. Extremely hard to make a living in the dairy business these days because of low milk prices and high feed prices, and it's just challenging.
He is totally devoted 7 days a week to the farm, and I knew that when we started dating, and I supported him 100%.